Okay, this is my Panasonic 61610. I purchased this one because I wanted to be able to use my field phones. I had a bunch of field phones that had dialers on it, and the small PBX wouldn't work with dialers, so this is what I ended up getting. This is actually was designed for businesses and that, but it works great for me. Can do 11 phone extensions on here. The phones can either be dial phones or touch tone phones. It'll also do common battery phones. If you have like common battery field phones, you can hook them up and you can use them with this. It'll actually ring the operator position. It has the ability to use a door, so if you have like an access door where somebody picks the door phone up and you push a button, it'll do that. I don't have a use for that, but it's capable of doing that. It's got the ability to do 6 external lines, so if you had like phone lines coming in from the phone company, you'd plug them in here and then it'd allow people to make phone calls in, switch would route them, and then go back out. The only problem with this was, in order to use it, I had to get a special phone. This is it right here. Got to have that to program it, but that was no big deal. This phone costs almost as much as the switch did. Okay, we'll go ahead and I'll shut down, hook everything up, and I'll show you how it actually works. Okay, I got them all hooked up. This has always got to be connected to extension 11, which is the first one. That's basically functions as the operator station for programming and stuff. The other ones are all hooked up according to their label. This is 2-digit dial, so first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and I'll actually call the 312 from the operator's phone. Good solid ring. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Okay. Go ahead and we'll call the other way. Test 1 2. Test 1 2 3. Yep. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and I'll call the TA A38 17. There we go. Let's put the light on. Test 1 2. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2. My hand's up a little bit weak. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll call use the A38 call something. We'll call the operator, extension 11. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2. Test. And you can see there he goes. That's basically how it works. The reason it works is because this was designed. It actually puts out an actual 90-volt ring signal, so it makes these operate. We'll actually operate that one too. If I remember right, that's 12, I think. Yep. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. Yep, that's it. So that's the big deal. So in order to make it work and you actually do phones, you have to use something like this. Now, some home phones, if you basically a VoIP circuit, it will ring the 838 and the 312. I know some won't, so I mean, that's whether you want to use one phone. If you wanted to, you could actually take this and plug this into your home phone line, and you could hook up a bunch of these, field phones. Like I said, I purchased it because it lets me use my dial field phones that have actually rotary dials on them and call each other. And I also could hook up a network and do calling and that, and now I'd have to use my home phone line. So like I said, this is a TX